feel honored to have led the Women in Leadership program, a Win Belong initiative. It invests in creating a pipeline of women leaders at Carelon. Mid-level women leaders are mentored to lead bravely even in the face of challenges, uncertainty, and self-doubt. Concepts of personal branding, effective networking, entrepreneurial skills are at its core. It manifests in them the notion to live and lead consciously. I am Aditi, a Carelon associate for more than 6 years, proudly contributing to transforming healthcare and make this world a better place.
Hello everyone, this is Komal Verma. I am a physiotherapist by profession and into health tech industry since 6+ years. WIN is a vital initiative that supports and uplifts women through networking, mentorship, and fosters diversity and innovation. The hackathon we conduct fuels creativity and problem-solving skills, offering hands-on experience, collaborations, and career opportunities. Together, we inspire growth, build community, and drive innovations.
I'm Dr. Akhila. I'm part of WIN session since a year. It has grown me both personally and professionally. I think the future of women in healthcare and technology is bright. As a doctor, I'm able to combine my healthcare knowledge with technology and bring unique perspectives in solving the healthcare challenges. WIN session has given me an opportunity to share my knowledge on oral health to the larger audience. Thanks to Carelon for this initiatives.
Hi everyone, I'm Limitless, team lead at Carelon Global Solutions. I'm a part of WIN, and WIN is a platform for me to learn and inspire other women across organization. It is rightly termed as Women Inspired Network because it's a place for all women associates to grow together and inspire each other while learning opportunities, building support, and giving endless opportunities. WIN is a place wherein all the challenges and the support needed by women associates are discussed and the sessions and events are planned accordingly. This creates a happy workplace for all. I'm happy to be a part of such a progressive Belong initiative. Thank you.